Imagine earning extra money online from the comfort of your couch without needing any fancy skills or prior experience. It sounds like a dream, right? In this video, I will tell you some of the best online side hustles that you can start today, even if you're starting from scratch. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is freelance writing. You don't need a degree in English to start freelance writing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer writing services, and many clients prioritize creativity and clarity over technical expertise. You can begin with simple tasks like blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. You can also start by offering services at competitive rates to build your portfolio. For example, if you charge $20 for a 500-word article, writing 5 articles a week could mean an easy $100. Over time, as your reviews stack up, you can increase your rates. To make it easier, I recommend to pick a niche like travel, tech, or personal development. Researching and writing in one area will not only boost your expertise, but also attract clients who value specialization. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is virtual assistants. A virtual assistant or a VA provides support services like managing emails, scheduling, or basic data entry. You don't need experience to start, just organizational skills and access to tools like Google Workspace. You can start by offering services on platforms like TaskRabbit or online job boards. You could say, I'll manage your email inbox for 5 hours a week. Even if you charge just $15 an hour, that's $300 a month for part-time work. Here is a pro tip. You can specialize in helping a certain type of client, like small business owners or coaches. For instance, you can help an online fitness trainer by organizing their appointments or creating simple workout PDFs. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to start a print-on-demand business. You can design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without ever touching any inventory. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle the production and the shipping, so you can just upload the designs. If you're not a designer, that's not a problem. You can use free tools like Canva to create simple text-based designs with inspirational quotes or trendy phrases. For example, a coffee mug that says Monday Fuel could appeal to coffee lovers. You can market your products on Etsy or through social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok to reach more people. If a single design goes viral, it could bring in hundreds of sales, and you didn't even need upfront costs to stock any inventory. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is online tutoring. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, tutoring can be a rewarding side hustle. Websites like VIP Kid and Tutor Me connect you with students worldwide. For example, you could teach English to kids in China or help high schoolers with their maths. Even if you're not a certified teacher, many platforms welcome tutors who are passionate and knowledgeable. You can set your rates based on demand. Beginners might start at say $15 an hour, but can quickly earn more as reviews start to roll in. For more control, you can create your tutoring packages and market them locally. A $200 a month package for weekly lessons could attract consistent clients, especially during exam seasons. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is social media management. Small businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you know how to create engaging posts, schedule good content, and analyze basic metrics, this could be your side hustle. I recommend you start by managing accounts for local businesses like a bakery or a boutique. You could offer a starter package like 10 posts for $100 to keep it simple and affordable for first-time clients. You can use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to streamline scheduling and track performance. If you show results like an increase in followers or engagement, you can then upsell premium services such as ad management. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is selling digital products. Digital products like planners, ebooks, templates, and online courses can generate passive income. Once they are created, they're available to sell indefinitely on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Let's say you design a weekly meal planner. You can use free design tools to create it and list it for $10 and market it in niche Facebook groups. Selling just 20 copies would bring in $200. You can brainstorm products to solve everyday problems. For example, a content calendar template could appeal to bloggers, while budget trackers might attract young professionals. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's and businesses' products and services and earning a commission on each sale. You don't need a website to start, just a social media following or an email list. You can sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or join affiliate networks like Share a Sale and ClickBank. For instance, you can recommend a popular gadget or book that you genuinely like and recommend. If it costs, say, $50 and you earn 10%, every sale brings in $5. You can combine affiliate marketing with content creation. For example, you can create a top 5 work from home tools video or a blog post and include affiliate links. The more value that you provide, the more people will trust your recommendations. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without handling any inventory. You simply set up an online store and suppliers ship products directly to the customers. Platforms like Shopify make it very easy to get started. I recommend to choose a niche with high demand like fitness gear or pet products. You can use tools like Oberlo to find trending items and focus on unique products that customers can't easily find elsewhere. To help you stand out, provide exceptional customer service and invest in attractive and professional looking product descriptions. Even with no experience, you can make sales with good marketing on Instagram or TikTok. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram and TikTok allow you to monetize your creativity through ads, sponsorships and fan support. You can start with simple entertaining or educational content in a niche that you like. For example, if you're into cooking, you could create short recipe videos with budget-friendly ingredients. You can post consistently and use trending hashtags to grow your audience. Over time, you can monetize your channel with ad revenue or brand partnerships. Content creation requires patience, but the long-term rewards can be huge. Remember, everyone starts at 0 followers. Just focus on creating good value and connecting really well with your audience. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is online market research. Participating in online market research is a simple way to earn extra income. Companies pay for consumer opinions, and platforms like user testing or Respondent connect you to these types of opportunities. Tasks range from surveys to testing websites and different apps. For example, user testing pays about $10 for a 20-minute usability test, where you share your thoughts on websites' functionality. Even doing 3 tests a day could add up to $30 for just an hour of work. You can maximize your earnings by signing up for multiple platforms. Diversify your options so that when one is slow, another might have more available studies. The key is consistency and checking for new opportunities on a daily basis. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is stock photography or video. If you enjoy photography or video creation, you can sell your content online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock and Pond5 let you upload photos and videos, earning a commission every time someone downloads them. You don't need professional equipment. High quality smartphone photos can work really well. I recommend to focus on popular themes like business, travel or seasonal events. For instance, a well-composed photo of a laptop on a desk could sell as a stock image for blog posts or ads. You can batch upload several pieces of content at once. Over time, as you build a large portfolio, your earnings can become more passive. It's a perfect side hustle for creative individuals with a good eye for detail. Let's now move on to tip number 12, which is resume and cover letter writing. Many job seekers struggle to create compelling resumes and cover letters. If you're good at writing or have a knack for formatting, this is a valuable service that you can offer. Platforms like LinkedIn or Fiverr are great for finding clients. You can start by offering a budget-friendly package such as $50 for a resume and cover letter combo. You can provide a few before and after samples to showcase your skills. For example, transforming a cluttered, generic resume into a polished, concise document can make a big impact. Over time, you can expand your services by offering interview coaching or LinkedIn profile optimization. Many satisfied clients will refer others, making this side hustle grow quickly with little upfront cost. So there you have it, 12 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online side hustle, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a fantastic day.